typical. We have an open door policy. Actually, if you take a tour around the office, you'll see that nobody has individual rooms or meeting space. It's really open concept.
We're still acting as a startup. We still have agility. We can be fast. We can take quick decisions. We can be very close to the market. At the same time, we are part of a global team.
What inspires me, I would just say, is that whatever I do is actually really making a difference.
So what drives me working at Unity is the fact that we are encouraging everyone to become a creator on their own.
On a daily basis, I feel I have a very strong confidence in myself that I'm growing while the company is growing.
Anyone can suggest an idea anytime, then the people and the company listen and support the idea. We also have a game room, which is a good way to relax and let us try new games from our clients.
Every day, I'm lucky enough to come into the office and work amongst some of the most brilliant, most talented people in the space.
Compared with other companies I've worked for, Unity is a very diverse place, and this makes our daily work very interesting.
Unity is a truly an international company, and so no matter what your position is, you get to talk to your co-workers all around the world, and it's nice feeling that when you actually get to see them face to face, whom you usually talk on Slack or emails.
What makes Unity unique is the people and philosophy and principles. It is a company of a people who truly believes in it.